is one in which we have one unknown x, and the highest power of the unknown is 1. What we mean, there are no squares, no cubes, no x to the negative 1, and such the like. The equation is called a linear equation. Now in this case, this linear equation is of the order where we have fractions in it. And our first step in solving this linear equation is to get rid of the fractions. And we'll get rid of the fractions, this is my method, by multiplying the entire equation by the LCM of the denominators. So let's note the denominators, 3 and 2. And the LCM of 3 and 2 is definitely 6, so we will multiply the entire equation by 6. So here I go multiplying the first term by 6, that's the first term. I'm going to multiply now the second term also by 6. All terms will be multiplied by 6. 6 times 2. And finally, 6 times 2x minus 3. All over 3. Now that we have multiplied all terms by 6, our aim is to simplify the equation by cancelling out, or better said, divide out the common factors between the denominators and the LCM. Cancel there, we will get 2, 22, 1, 26, 3. Likewise, 23, 1, 26, 2. We will now remove the brackets. So we say 2 times 3x, which is 6x. 2 times 1, which is 2. Minus 3 times x, which is 3x. And minus 3 times minus 2 will give us positive 6. We're equal to 6 times 2, 12, plus 2 2s, 4x. And 2 times negative 3, giving us, finally, negative 6. Now, our aim in solving this equation is to use the balance method. And in the balance method, we use it by performing arithmetic operations on all the terms. Our aim is to get all the terms in x to one side, those terms which have double underline, with the constant terms, the ones that are just marked on the other side. We move the terms by performing the opposite operations to both sides. I'm not going to elaborate on that now because this is a complicated equation, but it can be seen that the 6x remains, the minus 3x remains, but this positive 4x is subtracted from both sides, leaving us with the 12 that was there, minus 6. We have a positive 2. When we subtract 2 from both sides, we end up with negative 2 over there. And we have a positive 6. We will end up with negative 6 on the other side. Now, we will simplify each side of the equation. And of course, 6x minus 3x will leave us with 3x. And 3x minus 4x leave us with negative x. Let's evaluate the other side. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 2 is of course 4. And then 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Now we needed to find x, but please remember, even though we have a negative x here, it's really negative 1x. The coefficient of x there is negative 1. So we can say, divide both sides by negative 1 to make it x being equal to positive 2. Here we have solved a simple